Hello friends, welcome to our channel. So now we are going to solve one coding question. Word manipulation. So consider a string, group the similar characters in combinations that concatenate first element and last element alternately. So that means, for example, so this is the string. So hello world. Now, so group the similar characters. So group the similar characters means first we are going to do the sorting. Why? Because so based on the output. Okay. So now in this the characters are D, E, H. So there are three L's. That means L, capital L, small o, capital O, R, W. So okay, so these are the similar character combinations. Okay, so now, so what is the output? Concatenate first element, that means D, and last element W. So after that E, R. So after that H, O, O. So after that L, L, L. So this is the output. Now we can solve this problem. So what is the input? That is a string. So S equals to input. Next L equals to sorted off set of S dot upper. So that means, so what is the S here? H, E, L, capital L, small o, capital W, capital O, R, L, D. So this is the S. So L equals to S dot upper. That means all the characters are converted into the upper. Set. So set is nothing but if there is any duplications. Now this is converted as H, E, L, O, W, R, D. So no duplications. And sort. Sorting is nothing but D, E, H, L, O, R, W. So this is the sorted order of this one. So that is stored in L. That means this is the L. Okay. So next RES. That means the combinations of characters. We can store in one list. The list name is RES. Okay. Next, for a in range of length of L. So this is for to find the combinations. So this is for to concatenate. Okay. So for a in range of length of L. What is the length of L? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. That means we execute this 7 times. So new str for j in S. What is the S here? This is the S. H, E, L, L, O, capital W, capital O, R, L, D. Okay. So j in yes. That means it becomes H. J becomes H. L of I. L of 0 is D. D equals to H, false. So after D equals to A, false. D equals to L, false. D equals to L, false. D equals to O, false. For W, false. For O, false. R, false. L, false. For this D, it becomes true. D equals to D. So we can append this D into new str. That means new str equals to, what is the value? D. And the loop is power. So res dot append new str. That means the D is appended here. In the next case, it becomes E. E. Again we can compare E equals to H. No. E equals to E. Yes, true. So new str equals to new str plus E. In next case, L false, L false, O false, W false, O false, R false, L false, D false. That means what is in the content in new str? E, that is appended to res. In next iteration, it becomes H. H equals to H, true. So H is appended to here. In remaining all the cases, false. So RES dot append H. That means H is appended here. In next case, L. L equals to H, false. E, false. Small l dot upper, that means it's capital L. It is true. So we can append L here. Next iteration, it is capital L. Again, the capital L is appended here. In this case also, the L is appended here. After the end of the loop, this string is appended to RES. That means L, L, L. So what is the next one? O. O equals to H? No. In these two cases, it is true. So new string equals to small o, capital. That is appended to RES. Small o, capital O. Next iteration, it is R. R is matched with small r. So only R is appended. In last case, W. So W only one time. So W is also appended to RES. So this is the RES. Okay, this is all. Now we are going to concatenate first element and last element. What is the first element? D. What is the last element? W. That means this is the I, this is the J. What is the I index? 0. What is the J index? 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. What is the length? 7. 7 minus 1, J equals to 6. Output empty we are taking. So why I less than or equals to J? Every time we are going to increment I by 1, decrement J by 1. That means I equals to I plus 1, J equals to J minus 1. In first iteration we are going to print here what is the value? 0 less than or equals to 6. True. So enter here. So this is false. Output equals to output plus. So what is the RES of I? D. Plus RES of J means W. That means D W. In next iteration, I becomes 1, the J becomes 5. It is true. So enter here. So what is I? E plus what is the J? R. That means D W E R. I equals to 2. J equals to 4. Not equals to false. Out equals to. So D W E R plus IS of I. That means H. Plus small o, capital O. That means D W E R H small o, capital O. So again I plus plus 3. J minus minus 3. I equals to J. So simply we can append L, capital L, L. So that means output is D W E R H O O small l, capital L, small l. So after that I equals to 4, J equals to 2. This is false. So print out. So what is in the out? D W E R H O O L L L. So this is the output. I hope you all are understand the word manipulation. Now we are going to see the execution of the program. Okay.